Are you experiencing tightness and stiffness in one side of your thoracic spine and sometimes with difficulty with overhead reaching activity that results a little bit scapular stiffness and tightness? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Join me for gentle thoracic mobility with upper back lengthening stretching if you have suffering from scoliosis with one-sided weakness, or if you just have one side non-dominant stiffness and weakness because you don't utilize that area that becomes tighter and stiffer and you need a gentle Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, gentle flow utilizing a bolster. So get your mat ready and join me. If you're new to my channel is about Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy. And in this video, I'll be demonstrating a lovely Pilates and yoga flow targeting your thoracic spine that will help your lumbar spine if you have low back pain and your neck and upper back muscles to support your overall mobilities. Because if you have thoracic tightness and stiffness, what happens to your cervical spine and your lumbar spine gets overcompensated by doing more mobility and flexibility movement, and it causes a lot of more instability. So if you're overstraining the cervical spine, which has 7 vertebrae, and the lumbar spine, which has 5, the thoracic spine has the major bulk of your vertebrae with 12 vertebrae. And then it's surrounded by the rib cage that constricts that area. And if you have a lot of stiffness on your thoracic spine, as I said, your cervical and your lumbar spine get the blunt of the trauma. We get more overstraining, overreaching movement. So instead of having stability in those areas, you have herniated discs or areas that you could strain your muscles. And I have a lot of videos you can check out. I have a quadratus lumborum back pain, one side low back pain that you can check out over here. And I also have cervical disc herniation videos. You can also try if you're suffering from low back pain, neck pain, and I have sciatica videos you can also check out to help the overall health of your body, especially your spine. And my video really focuses a lot about core strength and improve overall posture. And if you need my help and guidance, you can join my back masterclass. I'll be reopening it very soon. And you can also watch one of my students who graduated recently who enjoyed my daily program, and it's so easy to follow. It's only 10 to 15 minutes every single day that you can challenge your overall health so you can regain life without back pain, to have a stronger core and improve overall posture. Sign out down below and be part of the early bird waitlist for first come first serve basis. Hi Donna, welcome to my back masterclass. She's one of my amazing students who will have a lovely testimony on my back masterclass. So Donna, introduce your name and what's your concerns regarding your body that you needed help with the back masterclass.
Yes, I'm Donna. I'm from New Jersey, and I have an umbilical hernia and diastasis recti. So I was looking for something to get my core stronger.
And so far, what did you learn in the program, from lifestyle changes, putting something to support you, and overall, how do you find it from your program from week 1 all the way now you're almost graduating? And how do you find it? Is it easy to follow? Is it too hard for you that you feel like you feel secure?
It is easy to follow. I learned some things like wearing an abdominal binder to help keep my hernia in when I'm doing things that I need core strength for. I learned about taking collagen and I put that in my smoothie every day so I can try to heal. And I find the exercises to be easy enough to do every day. There are some that are challenging that I have to modify. Overall, it's, I found it pretty easy to follow along with, mostly short exercise videos, maybe 15, 20 minutes, so I could fit it into my day. And I think I'm making some progress but I love it.
And then with the program, I also combine a 1-hour video. And one of the students was able to capture 1 hour without hurting your hernia or diastasis recti. Were you surprised you were able to do the 1-hour video?
Yes. I enjoyed the 1-hour video, and I was a little sore for a couple days afterward, which I think is pretty normal since I normally don't exercise for an hour at a time. So I think that contributed to making me stronger.
Yes. And then with this program also, you learn a lot about pacing yourself, the breath work, connecting with your core. And you have this hernia for how long now? And this diastasis recti before you joined the program?
I've had it for 8 years.
And
since my last baby.
Yeah, despite the 8 years of you finally feeling your core got sore, right? without hurting the hernia. So I'm glad that you enjoyed my program. And do you recommend this program to anyone you meet or to your friends and family that will benefit from it?
Yes, I definitely would recommend you to anyone that's having back pain, core weakness, anything like that. It's been great.
There you go. And then my next question is, you're planning to continue doing this, right? Because it's unlimited access. So that's a good thing about my program. You can always go back unlimited, and she's been so progressive, and she's doing what we started from a yellow band, and now you can do. What color bands are you doing now?
I'm doing the red and sometimes the green band now.
So yeah, the yellow is the easiest, which is a pound of resistance, and the green is actually much more difficult. And I'm glad you were able to, despite the hernia, despite the diastasis recti, you could do more things.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you for joining my back master class. It's been a pleasure, and I'm glad you're being so consistent, because consistency is key to see results.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Donna. So let's begin the program in a cross-legged position. You're going to start moving our shoulders first. Place your hands on your side. As you inhale, pull your shoulder back. It's nice to warm up your upper back first, especially your upper traps. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Squeeze as hard as you can as you pull back. And breathe out. Pull and gentle. Now we're going to tilt your head on one side to stretch your neck. Slow and steady. Inhale, exhale, back center, switch to the other side, again, to the right, balance your body, last one, and to the left, and then slowly turn your head in rotation. I'm focusing on your neck first, because sometimes you just don't want to start just stretching your thoracic spine, because you could hurt your neck muscles and your neck vertebrae if you don't slowly warm them up. Now, circumduction to the other side. You can close your eyes if you like, so you can feel the tick and clicks of your neck. Breathe out and exhale. Now, extend your arm palms up, stretch your shoulders. You're going to rotate your shoulder backward, this time with your elbow extended and palms up, to really stretch those tight muscles in front of you, the anterior chain muscles. Pull back as you breathe in, breathe out. Now, do slowly rotation. Gently, we're rotating your spine down your thoracic area, trying to keep your core engaged. You're not twisting your lumbar spine yet, not as much. Exhale, back center. Inhale, twist to the left. Exhale, back center. Again, to the right. And then to the left. 2 more. Last one. Squeeze your core in, and now we're going to slowly place your hand on the bolster. This will help you glide through as you lean, palms down, lean to the right, and then overhead. Your arm, feel that beautiful stretch, and then back center. Pull the bolster. So bolster is a gentle guidance. Don't do this too quickly. Slow and steady as you reach to the bolster. You're lifting your left arm overhead, stretching the side of the thoracic spine. And breathe out. Inhale. As you breathe in, expand your rib cage. That will help warm up your thoracic area. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale back. Last one. Inhale. Exhale, pull back. Now switch the bolster to the other side. Now it's my left side. Palms down. Slowly lean to the left, and then simultaneously lifting your right arm overhead until you can touch your right arm towards your right ear. And breathe out. Inhale. Expand your rib cage. Exhale. 3 more. Slow and steady. Feel that beautiful stretch in both sides of your armpit. It feels so good. Inhale. Overhead stretch, and you can feel one side a little bit tighter than the other, especially your concave side of your scoliosis, if that's your tighter side. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Whew. Well done. Now we're going to go all fours position. Hands level to your shoulders, knees level to your hips. And You're going to warm up your upper back and your lumbar spine by doing a gentle cat and camel. Keep your fingers open, plant your hands really tight on the ground and your toes as well. So as you round your shoulder, chin tuck, looking towards your belly button, pelvic curl in, inhale, exhale, slowly look up, arch your lumbar spine and breathe out. Feel that stiffness on your thoracic area. Again, inhale, round like an angry cat. Exhale, look up to a camel. Feels so good on your back. Inhale. Exhale, look up. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one, my friends. Inhale. And exhale. Now we're going to do a gentle rotation, circumduction, pretending if there's a pendulum on your belly button and you want to make big circles. So I'm really shifting my body weight left and right. Inhale, exhale, right to left. Shift your body weight to the right and then circle around to the left. 2 more. Feels so good. Ticks and clicks on your shoulder blades. Last one. And then switch to the other side, right to left. Inhale and exhale. Don't forget your breath work. Feels so good with the proper breathing. 2 more. Last one. And back center. Now we're going to slowly open your chest, placing the right side of your hand behind your back by doing a gentle trunk rotation, pulling your elbow, pointing to the ceiling. Look up, inhale, exhale back, point your elbow down to the mat and breathe out. Inhale, twist to the right. Feel that all the way to the right side of your rib cage, down to your right hip. Exhale, down to the mat. 2 more, inhale, open. Breathe in as much air in towards your rib cage. Elongate that side of your shoulder, your chest, and your rib cage. And breathe out, back down to the mat. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Down to the mat, palms down. Then switch to the other side. Left hand behind your head. And we're going to twist to the left. Inhale. You can feel that all the way to your shoulder blades and to your left armpit. And breathe out. Inhale, open. If you're always in your computer all day, this is perfect for you. To open that shoulder blade and your chest. 2 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one, my friends. Inhale. And exhale. Well done. Now, let's utilize the bolster. Place your hand on the bolster. We're going to do a beautiful mobilization of your thoracic spine by slowly rolling down all the way to your forearm, resting up to the elbow area, and then really shifting your chest, trying your best to touch the mat, and then until you can touch your armpit towards your arm, until you can touch your ears towards your arm. And breathe out. Let's hold this beautiful child pose, lowering your hips down, really trying your best to shift your body weight and roll it closer to your middle of your forearm as you shift your hips further down with your knees a little bit separated to the side, and really feel your shoulder blade and the tip of your shoulders being stretched as long as no increasing pain. Just a gentle stretch, and then slowly roll up to sitting to kneeling, up and starting to tall kneeling position to really stretch, and then slowly roll down again. Touch the bolster as you roll down to the mat, all the way to your elbow until you can really lower your chest down, your hips down. Hold this in 2 deep breaths. And then roll up to tall kneeling position and squeeze your glutes as you tall kneel. Squeeze your core, roll down. Last one. And Feel that beautiful stretch. Now we're going to do a little bit more mobilization by pulsing up and down, forearm to elbow. Shift. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more pulses. Last one. And down. Well done. Now let go of the bolster. That was lovely. Back to all fours. Now we're going to do a little bit deeper stretch by lifting your right arm all the way, pointing to the heavens this time, and really twist with your elbow straight, hand pointing to the ceiling, your fingers looking up. Breathe in, exhale back down to the center, switch to the other side. Inhale, exhale back center. 2 more. Again to the left. Last one to the right. And this time, we're gonna thread it in. Thread the needle is when you thread it in your right hand between your left armpit and your arm, slowly twisting. If you can't go all the way down, you can stop here because of pain. If you can increase your flexibility, lower your shoulder down until you can touch your right ear and right face down to the mat, and then extend your arm, touch the bolster to really push it forward, and feel that the bolster is an extra support for you so you can really reach out and stretch in this lovely thoracic spine mobility flow. Hold this in 2 deep breaths. Expand your rib cage for that deep stretch. Last one in, and then back down to the center. Place your right hand down to the mat so you can press up with the help of the bolster. Now we're going to switch. Left hand up, pointing to the heavens, looking up. Feel that beautiful opening on your left side. Inhale, exhale, thread the needle to the left. Lie down with your left ear and face. Place your right hand over and stretch. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. 2 more deep breaths in. Last one. And then back center. And now we're gonna do a lovely child pose with a twist. I'm gonna diagonal the bolster to the right, and then I'm gonna roll down all the way down for a beautiful side stretch. So if this is your scoliosis side with the concave, open more on this towards the right to open your left. Inhale, exhale. However, if you have more stiffness on your right, place it diagonal to the right and then twist. And if you want to do both sides, you can. And you can see the difference, so you can compare which one is your tighter side. And if you're tighter on the other side, then do another set. 2 more deep breaths in. Last one. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this lovely Pilates yoga mobility flow targeting your thoracic spine, utilizing a bolster. If you love this video and want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like you give to my channel, you are supporting me. And if you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, leave a comment down below. And I'll try my best to answer each one of you. As I said, I'll be reopening my back masterclass for anyone who needed my special guidance and help support hand in hand to reach all your functional goals, to have a stronger core, improve posture, and regain life without back pain. And for those who need an extra support on your quadratus lumbar pain, check out this video, and I have a scoliosis video you can check out over here to add with this program. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!